Hey everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make a 2-ingredient mousse. Let's get started. I've got a half a cup of heavy whipping cream here in my bowl and I'm just going to mix this until it's at a stiff peak. My whipped cream is all whipped up and it looks like it's at a stiff peak. I'm going to check. And the way you check is you put your whisk down into your whipped cream and then you pull straight up and then you turn it upside down like this and you'll have little peaks at the top. And either if it's straight up like this, then it's ready to go. It's a stiff peak. If it's slightly like this, it's a medium peak, and if it's down like this, it's a soft peak. Now that my whipped cream is all done and whipped up, I'm going to melt my chocolate. I've got a half a cup of milk chocolate chips that I'm going to alternate every 10 seconds and stirring in the microwave to melt, and I'll be right back. My chocolate is all melted and I'm just going to put that right on top of my whipped cream. And then I'm going to go ahead and start folding it into my whipped cream. You want to be very gentle. You want to keep as much air in this as possible, and that's what's going to give us a nice, light, fluffy mousse. This is all mixed in, and this is looking really good. It's holding its shape. It's not collapsing in on itself. It looks nice and smooth. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer this into our 2 bowls, and this makes enough for 2 servings. If you need more than one, of course, just double the recipe. Now with my little offset spatula, I'm just going to smooth this out a little bit. You want to be very gentle with this process as well, because like I said, you want to keep as much air in here as possible. So you don't want to get in here and smash it down and mix it up and push out all the air. There we go. Now I'm going to refrigerate these for at least 2 hours, and then they'll be ready to serve. You can top these with lots of fun things like chocolate chips, you can do chocolate shavings, nuts, caramel sauce, whipped cream, whatever you like, or you can serve them just like this. So I'll see you when they come out of the fridge. My chocolate mousse is out of the refrigerator and it looks so good. I'm so excited. It's nice and fluffy. Oh, look at that. It's light and fluffy and delicious. Right amount of chocolate. This is definitely it, especially if you need a last minute Valentine's Day dessert. You can make this in advance. Amazing. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. It was really fun making it. If you enjoy videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I post every Friday. And also, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really supports my channel. Thanks for watching.